Hello guys, today we are going to find out the compound that does not produce nitrogen gas by the thermal decomposition. So let's check all the options and find the solution. Option A. So first option is NH4 whole twice Cr2O7, that is ammonium dichromate. It is an inorganic compound. In this compound, chromium has +6 oxidation state, which is known as hexavalent chromium. So let's start with thermal decomposition of the same. So we have NH4 whole twice Cr2O7 under heat gives N2 plus 4 H2O plus Cr2O3. So as we can see, it releases some nitrogen gas. Then we have option B, NH4 NO2. This is ammonium nitrate. So the thermal decomposition for ammonium nitrate will release N2 and 2H2O. Option 3, that is NH4 whole twice SO4 under heat. NH4 whole twice SO4 is also called ammonium sulfate, and it is an inorganic sulfate salt. It has a high melting point and is soluble in water. So when we decompose this, it releases 2NH3 plus H2SO4. And the final option, BaN3 whole twice, that is barium azide, and the thermal decomposition of barium azide releases Ba plus 3N2. So as we can see, of the 4 options, only ammonium sulfate did not release any nitrogen gas. Hence the correct option is option number 3, NH4 twice SO4. Thank you.